Alright folks, as you can see, my plants are dead. I'm going to try the electrical culture on these dead plants and see if they revive in the next 2 weeks or so. This one is totally, I think the moisture in the air is drying out the soils and stuff. So let's see what happens. This plant is supposed to not die, but the soil is dry and it's dying. So I'm going to try bringing back with the electroculture. Okay, I've made some antennas for them, if you can look at them. And then we'll stick them inside of it and see how it works. Okay, and also my other plant, I made some sticks with it, with the copper wire on it. And this is where it's dead. I don't know what happened. It's just moisture will not come in it. So we'll see what happens. So I made the stick, put the copper wire around it. Hopefully, there you go. Copper wire running all around and we'll stick it into there and see what happens in the next 2 weeks or so. All right, and give it some more water. I put some water in there, but it's always drying out real fast. I don't know what is wrong with the soil. It was blooming very well, but now it died slowly. So we'll test it out and see how it works. All right. So as you can see, I put the antenna inside the dirt. There's the other antenna, and we'll see how it works. Put some water and spray it inside there. Spray real good. Give it some water. And after 2 weeks, we'll see how it goes in 2 weeks time. And we'll see. Maybe it's too late for these plants, but we'll see how the moisturize inside there. If not, I'll just add more of the copper to the stick, bamboo stick. See how it goes. Alrighty folks. I stuck in the antenna into the dirt for all 4 of these ones. And we'll check it back in 2 weeks and see how it goes. Alright, there's the antenna. And I'll put some water in there. I'm not a gardener, but I'm trying it out because I love plants, but it seems like I'm killing them all the time. So this is it, and see if this one helps it out a little bit. I'm crossing my finger on this. All right, they get enough sunlight from the office, but we'll see. And these are other antennas I'm making, and see if it'll help out other plants in the house. Yep, we'll check it out. This is all the copper wire I use. I use this little small ones, but I just bought heavy duty one, 12 gauge one. These are a bigger one for the outside, and also to use it for chemtrail busters to clear the air up, since they've been spraying the air every day around here. They're drawing lines. They're even playing tic-tac-toe in the air around here. So I'm going to use it outside with my 6-foot pole that I bought from Lowe's. Wrap it around and see if it busts the chemicals in the air. And everything goes very well. We'll test it out. Once I do that one, I'll put it outside and see and show everybody how it came out. All right. Thank you. We'll get back to you soon.